Hi there, my name is Justin Bellababa and I'm the founder of NowSite Marketing. If you're watching this video, you already know how important online marketing is in today's economy. In fact, over 62% of customers are acquired online. It is no longer optional to have an online marketing presence. It is mandatory. The only question is, how do you want to do your online marketing? Do you want to do it all yourself? Do you want to build your own websites, your own email campaigns, your own social media campaigns and SMS campaigns? Or would you rather sit back, relax, and watch a professional marketing expert do all of that for you, live on video conference? And that's really the difference here at NowSite. You don't have to be an expert in building websites. You don't have to be an expert in email marketing. You don't have to be an expert in online marketing at all. All you need to do is meet with one of our amazing, friendly NowSite nerds, and they will build it all for you.
Hi everyone, I'm just doing a super quick recording. I'm actually having my website designed for me now, real time by a nerd in 60 minutes. And I'm gonna give you a little view so you can see what's going on. And I'm just sitting here with my feet up doing absolutely nothing. My nerd, he's absolutely lovely. Hi there, he's lovely. And he's doing everything for me. So if you are a technophobe like me, you know, you don't know anything about technology, this service is absolutely brilliant. Right, I'm going to turn my camera around. Bear with me. Here we go. I just get the camera. There we are. As you can see, my nerd, Ellie, hi. Can you wave? There, see, real time, he's waving. This is not anything that's pre-recorded, this is real time. And he is creating my website for me. I'm just sitting back giving, advice, and he's giving me suggestions, and we're brainstorming with each other. But I can't think of a service out there where someone can design and create all those skills that they have to create a website for you while you just sit back with your feet up. Thanks very much. Say goodbye. Thank you.
Here's how it works. Step 1, click the button below and sign up on our website for just $47. Step 2, you will meet one-on-one with one of our super friendly, amazing marketing nerds. They will build you a custom website and a 3-day email campaign right before your eyes. Step 3, we guarantee you will love the results, and if you don't, we will give you a full refund. We call it the I Love My Nerd guarantee. That's how confident we are in the results we'll generate for you. So let's get started. Just click the button below and sign up on our website, and by this time tomorrow, you'll be marketing online like a pro. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.